So the plant species identification and classification with accurate and rapid results is essential for analysis and management of biodiversity. Our problem statement was to classify the leaves from the Swedish data leaves dataset and based on their features, different features. So as you know, different leaves, different type of leaves can be identified by the leaf colors, the leaf margin, leaf shape, leaf veen, and etc. So in this project, CNNs with K-fold provide impressive accuracy results over the test and validation data with training over Swedish data leaf dataset. So about this dataset, we are using the Swedish leaf dataset that has pictures of around 15 species of leaves with 75 images per species. So there were total 4,800 images in the training dataset and total of 1200 in test dataset. So images were in .tif format and then we converted them to .jpg format in the dimensions of 128 into 128 and also in 3 RGB. So the solution for this was like we used convolutional neural networks have been known to produce admissible results for multi-classification of large image datasets and other pattern recognition problems. Convolutional neural networks have been known to produce admissible results for multi-classification of large image datasets and other pattern recognition problems. So as a solution, we have used CNN. Also, K-fold cross validation allows to maximize the ability of performance of any neural network. So we have used K-fold cross validation. In this project, thus we present an effective amalgamation.
The model which we used in our project was convolutional neural network. In the recent time, convolutional neural network has turned out to be the most effective and efficient model when we deal with multi-classification problems, and it provides a scalable approach to help in recognizing the underlying patterns and deal with them. The dataset which was given to us was Swedish leaf dataset. To have higher accuracy and efficient classification applied on the dataset, we actually augmented it. So the augmentation dataset was then passed through the CNN model and K-fold cross validation was performed. The values of K which we used were K10, K5, K4 and K2. The model of the CNN which we built had the input layer. Sequential model was used. The size of the images were 128 by 128. The TIFF images were converted into JPG. The hidden layer had multiple max pooling layer and the convolutional 2D layer. Eventually, the output layer consisted of the activation function of softmax, and to prevent any loss, we use categorical cross entropy.
Hello everyone, myself Abhinav Rastogi, a BTech third year student from Benetton University working with Leading India AI. So now we're going to discuss about the results we have achieved through the CNN model. We obtained the accuracy of 90.2% on the test dataset using the CNN model. We obtained the accuracy of 86% on the test dataset with the mobile length model. The accuracy rate obtained for mean value analysis of K model cross validation over two-fold was 41.46%. The accuracy rate obtained for mean value of K fold cross validation over four-fold was 61.71%. The accuracy rate obtained for mean value analysis of K fold cross validation for five-fold for 66%, and for the two-fold was 73.90%. As we can see, as the fold decreases, the accuracy rate of our CNN model increases.
So to conclude our project, we worked on the Swedish leaf dataset, which had 15 classes of different leaves, each having 75 images. So after pre-processing, we arrived at 4,800 images in the training set. 1200 images in the validation set and further 1200 images in the testing set. So, in the research project, the performance of convolutional neural network is evaluated by analyzing the k-fold and mean activation values on the Swedish leaf dataset. It was found as on increasing the k values, the mean accuracy values increased and an optimal k value was arrived at. So, generally, convolutional neural networks have been known to produce admissible results for multi-classification of large image datasets and other pattern recognition problems. K-fold cross-validation, which is a model evaluation technique, allows us to maximize the ability of the performance of any convolutional neural network. It checks how accurate the model is on different subsets of a dataset. Hence, multiple pattern and image recognition with the traditional CNNs along with the k-fold and analyzing the accuracy of prediction with mean values improves the accuracy of the model. There exist very few works where this analysis over a leaf recognition dataset has been evaluated. Thank you.